3, 2, 1.
On internet chats, what do the letters affair mean? The answer is C, as far as I remember. Which band consists of members Axl Rose, Slash, and Duff McKagan? The answer is A, Guns N' Roses. What was Edgar Allan Poe's first poem to be published? The answer is B, The Raven. What was the name of the bartender at Martinez featured in the movie It's a Wonderful Life? The answer is D, Nick. What happens to a living thing if it becomes too cold? The answer is A, pass away. On the TV show Family Guy, what did Stewie have Brian write about when he thought he was about to die from cancer? The answer is A, a squiggly line. Who played the role of Drummond's daughter Kimberly on the sitcom Different Strokes? The answer is B, Dana Plato. Which theory suggests that our personality is made up of 5 core traits? The answer is A, behaviorism. The nail bed is a specialized structure of the epidermis that is found at the tips of our what? The answer is B, fingers and toes. Which river is referred to as the Queen of Rivers in Hindu texts? The answer is A, Ganges. What did Hermie the elf do to subdue the snow monster in Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? The answer is B, removed its teeth. In the movie Meet the Parents, Jack Bynes trains his cat to use the toilet. What is the name of the cat? The answer is C, Mr. Jinx. The Model T was produced by which company? The answer is B, Ford. What is the name of the TV show where Walter White creates meth? The answer is A, Breaking Bad. Who sang the original version of Respect? The answer is A, Aretha Franklin. Who are the 3 comics involved in Blue Collar TV? The answer is D, Bill Engvall, Jeff Foxworthy, Larry the Cable Guy. What number did Baseball Hall of Famer Rod Carew wear on his uniform when he played for the Minnesota Twins? The answer is B, 29. What is the smallest country in South America by area? The answer is C, Uruguay. Who taught Eliza Pinchley to speak proper English in the series Family Guy? The answer is B, Stewie. What is the world's smallest monkey species? The answer is A. Pygmy marmoset. On the sitcom Curb Your Enthusiasm, manager Jeff Green, who enjoys vintage cars and pornography, was allergic to what? The answer is B. Dogs. Which vitamin helps prevent scurvy? The answer is D. Vitamin D. Which architect designed Fallingwater and the Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum? The answer is C. Frank Lloyd Wright. What is the missing from the popular saying, one man's trash is another man's? The answer is C. Treasure. In some communities, forests are cleared through burning, and the deforested land is used for farming. Which of these is a negative consequence of this practice? The answer is A. Decreased plant and animal diversity. In which book of the New Testament is the following passage found? Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be opened to you. The answer is A. Matthew. Who is known as the father of Western philosophy? The answer is B. Aristotle. Rupture or blockage of arteries in the head is the usual cause of what condition? The answer is A. Stroke. Which part of the body does the appendix belong to? The answer is A. Liver. Who directed Batman Begins? The answer is A. Christopher Nolan. What is the traditional clothing of South Asian brides called? The answer is B. Sari. Which type of footwear has a flexible sole and no laces or back straps? The answer is A. Sandals. What household item do you use to cook food in the oven? The answer is D. Pot. Which character in the sitcom That 70s Show worked at the DMV? The answer is C. Fez. Which term refers to the cephalic disorder, characterized by absence of the cerebral hemispheres? The answer is D. Hydranencephaly. Sciophobia is the fear of what? The answer is D. Shadows. How many law enforcement officers were killed at the motel in Northern California in the movie Eve of Destruction? The answer is D. 5. Which of these nicknames refers to the U.S. state of Vermont? The answer is B. Green Mountain State. Which city is not a safe point of interest in the Crisis Game series? The answer is B. Paris. In what year did Cap. John Alcock and L.T.A.W. Brown make the first non-stop transatlantic flight? The answer is D. 1919. What instrument is associated with the Beatles' song Yellow Submarine? The answer is C. Flute. What is always hungry and has no mouth? The answer is C. A drill. What was Norm's wrestling name in high school as revealed in the TV series Cheers? The answer is C. Moonglow. Which of these is not a brand of Scotch whiskey? The answer is D. Tullamore Dew. What is an elastic demand in economics? The answer is B. Perfectly elastic demand. Ovulation is the release of an egg from the what? The answer is C. Ovary. Who is the principal of Bayside High in the TV series Saved by the Bell? The answer is A. Richard Belding. What is the process of a government borrowing money from the public called? The answer is D. Treasury bill sales. Which psychological term refers to a state of extreme anxiety or fear, often due to an impending threat? The answer is B. Claustrophobia. What pattern of bullet holes did Sherlock Holmes create on the interior wall of his lodgings, apparently just for pistol shooting practice?